Hi friends, we all are living in the IoT age, right? We are using various devices which all are IoT enabled. So have you ever wondered what are the challenges that the developers face while developing these devices? And similarly, what are the challenges that our QA community face when they test these IoT devices? Well, in my last couple of projects, I have faced similar kind of challenges, and that led me to write this paper. So in this paper, I will be telling you about what are the various strategies that you can use to test any IoT enabled project. There are so many areas across the world now where IoT has been embraced. For example, in pharmaceutical, in manufacturing, smart homes, driverless cars, these smart watches that you are wearing. So when you start testing these devices, testing in one device or for one functional area is totally different from testing in some other area. So for example, your test suite for pharmaceutical IoT device testing is totally different from your test suite in manufacturing IoT domain. What I have identified is a set of test cases, a test suite, an approach which you can apply for every IoT project that you can start working with. So testers always come to me and then they ask that, okay, we are now into this new IoT testing and I don't know where to start. So my presentation is all about from where to start. So you can pick your project, you can take my test suite, you can apply some of the test suites into this project. Some of the test cases you can pick as it is when you are running a particular IoT testing challenges. And then, of course, based on the domain, what you can do is you can identify more test cases and develop your test suite. Remember guys, IoT challenge is a big challenge for all these IoT areas that you are going to test. The results difference is basically the difference between life and death. For example, if you're testing driverless cars, you know what will happen if the test case fails, right? So come hear me in this QA Test Online Conference 2020, and I hope to interact more with you during the conference and after the conference, and of course online.